as an addition to that, we are kind of interested. We understand that, Prabhas was the first to kind of make this word pan-Indian, and now we are talking about pan-global. So we know he has a huge fan base in Japan as well, and then, Bahubali's response also was great. So are you targeting Japan in particular? If you can throw light on the kind of arrangements you made at releasing the film over there, that is one. The other part is with Jananayagan, facing difficulties in Tamil Nadu, what is the kind of increase in number of screens that you're looking at in Tamil Nadu? Thank you.
See, it is very unfortunate, the situation what is going on right now. So, yeah, I don't want to comment on what is that we are getting because of that, but we're hoping they get the certificate on 9th and they come along with us. So, to your other question, releasing in Japan, we are releasing the Indian languages right now along with our regular release. But we will have a Japanese dubbed release of the movie 3 to 6 months after the main release.
You're getting all set to count the money?
See, again, I told many times, it's not the money that drives me to make films.
I know.
So we did add a backslash. So to be honest, we had a bad 2024 year. So 2025, we could deliver an extraordinary product, Mirai.
Yes.
And with the same VFX team, we could able to deliver a lot of the fantasy elements into this movie. We cannot match, but we need to balance. So, and we got a great relief yesterday because our own product we will be believing it much. But yesterday, first time I watched the US copy in a regular theater along with a few more audience, and they concurred with what we believed, and we are very happy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, next question.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವವಾಣಿ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸರ್, ರಾಜಸಭಾ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಅದ್ದೂರಿ ವೆಚ್ಚದ ಸಿನಿಮಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರೇ ಇದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಚಾರ. ಈ ಕತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಹೊಂದುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ನೇಟಿವಿಟಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು, 3 ಜನ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಿಧಿ, ನಿಧಿ, ದೆನ್ ಮಾಳವಿಕಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂವರ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಮಾನ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
See, the movie is primarily the grandmother and grandson. The emotion drives between a grandmother and grandson. And if you watch the trailer, you pretty much know the flow of the movie. Of course, I cannot reveal the actual content. But the appeal of a sentiment or a emotion of a grandmother-grandson is universal. So it's not, there's no specific language-based emotion here. It's an emotion between the grandmother and grandson. Then comes the horror fantasy. So the film is driven with the horror genre with fantasy and with lot of romance. I think there is a reasonable balance between all the 3 actresses in the movie, but the emphasis is more on the emotion and the fantasy.